In this video we will talk about the strong points of permaculture and how implementing it into your garden is so much better than conventional gardening. How is permaculturing different from conventional chemical farming? Here are 4 important points to keep in mind. 1. Permaculture farming encourages diversity, but in conventional chemical farming, monoculture is dominant. 2. Conventional chemical farming causes soil salinity, but the effect of such phenomenon is not seen in permaculture farming. 3. Conventional chemical farming requires large land area, but permaculture farming does not require much space. 4. Mulching is very important in permaculture farming but not necessarily so in conventional chemical farming. The essential difference between natural and artificial farming is that natural farming relies on natural methods to fight pests and weeds, and provides plants with nutrients through composting rather than chemicals. Natural farming also emphasizes overall system health, and the interaction of various management practices is the main concern. Natural farmers utilize a variety of techniques that were developed thousands of years ago, including crop rotation, the use of composted manure, and the planting of cover crops. In natural farming, overall system health is stressed, and the interaction of multiple management practices is the primary focus. Natural farmers implement a wide range of techniques to promote biological diversity and replenish soils with nutrients. Conventional and organic agriculture methods have different consequences on people and the environment. Conventional agriculture causes greater greenhouse gas emissions, soil degradation, water pollution, and threats human health. Organic farming reduces these risks, conserves and rebuilds soil health, restores natural ecosystems, and does not contain harmful pesticides. Permaculture has 3 core tenets: care for the earth, care for the people, fair share. You should only harvest what you need, and return any excess to the environment. Any extra can be used to help fulfill the other 2 tenets. Conventional agriculture works against nature, not with it. We destroy ecosystems, and then try to replace them with monocultures. But there is an alternative. Using principles of permaculture allows us to work with nature, rather than against it. So we allow nature to do most of the work, and only harvest what we need. Any excess can be returned to the environment, where it can regenerate itself. There are also numerous benefits of permaculture, such as reduced water usage. You should consider using rainwater harvesting for your home. Not only will it reduce your water bill, but it will also provide you with fresh drinking water. Rainwater harvesting is an easy process that involves installing gutters and downspouts to catch the rainwater. When the rain falls, it flows through these gutters and downspout pipes and then into a collection tank where it can be used for various purposes. For example, you could use it to flush your toilet, wash your car, or water your lawn. Permaculture is also more affordable than traditional farming methods. You don't have to buy expensive machinery or pay high prices for seeds. In addition, you won't have to worry about buying pesticides or fertilizers. It saves money. If you're growing vegetables in a permaculture garden, you won't have to spend money on purchasing pesticides or fertilizers. These items can be made from leftovers and household wastes. It requires no investment. Permaculture doesn't require any kind of initial capital investment. You just need to find a suitable location for your garden. It reduces pollution and is a more environmentally friendly method of growing food. Because it relies on nature rather than man-made machines, it produces fewer pollutants. Less toxic. Permaculture is considered to be more eco-friendly because it doesn't involve the use of harmful chemicals. More self-sufficient. Permaculture gardening provides you with a wide range of produce. You can grow almost anything you want, including fruits, vegetables, herbs and flowers. Better yields. Permaculture gardening results in higher crop yields than conventional farming methods. No pesticides or herbicides. Permaculture gardening doesn't use any pesticides or herbicides. Permaculture gardening relies on natural pest control techniques such as companion planting, companion insects, and predator insects. Zero waste. Permaculture gardening eliminates the use of packaging materials and disposable containers. It is also self-reliant and allows you to grow enough food for yourself and your family. It is easy to maintain and takes very little effort. You just need to water your crops regularly. Long-term sustainability. Permaculture gardening is sustainable. You are not going to run out of food anytime soon. If you are still unsure about whether permaculture is right for you or not, make sure to watch our other videos, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.